In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a fast and responsive X feed like this and embed it on your Elementor website for free. So if you're ready, let's get started. To get started, we're first going to install a free plugin. So over on the left-hand side, let's hover over plugins and click on Add Plugin. And here in the search bar, we can type in Smash Balloon. And the one we're looking for is this one here, Custom Twitter Feeds. This is a free plugin that lets you create and embed an X feed directly on your WordPress website. And in this case, Elementor web page as well. Let's go ahead and install this. And after installing it, we can click on Activate. And now Custom Twitter Feeds has been installed and activated. And on the left-hand side, you'll notice it down here. Let's go ahead and click on that. And inside the plugin, to create our first X feed, we can click on Add New. Your event interface pop up here, asking you to verify your email address with Smash Balloon. Click on Connect. You can type in your email address here and click on Send Confirmation Link. You can then go check your inbox for that email containing the link. Once you've confirmed that, you'll have this pop up here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. Click Yes, it's my domain. And on to the next step. Here we can enter the X handle for the account we want to display inside our feed. For this demonstration, let's go with the WP Beginner account, and that's already suggested for us. We can type it in like this and click on Next. And instantly we have a live preview of our brand new X feed inside this plugin. You can see the latest post from the WP Beginner X account here. Each post contains the profile picture, account name, handle, and of course the text content. And underneath that we can see the number of free posts, likes, and you can also click this button to comment on X itself, alright? And on the right hand side, we also have an X icon indicating that this is an X post. And of course at the top, you can also see that we have a header containing the account profile picture, name, a button to follow on X, and of course the bio underneath as well. Right now our X feed is ready to be embedded on our Elementor web page, but before I show you how to do that, let me quickly show you how we can customize this as well. On the left hand side, if we go to the Customize tab and click on Feed Layout, you'll find options to modify the layout of your X feed. With the free version, we can only go with the list layout. But underneath that, you can choose how many tweets you want to display inside the feed initially. But if you want to modify it, just type in the number of tweets you want to display. Let's go ahead and change that to maybe 6. And instantly our feed is updated to display 6 posts instead of 4. You can see the 2 additional ones down here. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that, so we can click on Save on the top right corner. And if you want to modify the color palette of your X feed, click on the Customize tab once again and go into Color Scheme. Here we can see 4 different color schemes you can use for this feed. By default, it's set to inherit from theme, which means that your X feed will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Alternatively, you can go with the light theme, dark theme, and even a custom theme where you can select the exact colors you want for your feed like this, right? So you can choose a color scheme that best matches your website, but for now I'm going to go with inherit from theme. If you make any changes, just click on Save on the top right corner. After that, if you're modifying the header at the top of your feed, on the left hand side under the Customize tab once again, you can click on Header. And inside this menu, you can choose to enable or disable the header as well. You can just toggle it off if you don't want to display it, like this. You can easily bring it back just to doing the same thing as well. Underneath that, you can choose between 2 header styles, like the standard one, which you can see right now. That includes your profile picture, your account name, the X follow button, and more. And underneath that, we can also use the text header style, which is a simple header that you can customize down below. So we can type in anything we want, like our latest posts. But for now, I'm going to go with the standard style. And once you choose that style, you can also choose whether you want to display the bio or not. To disable it, you can just toggle it off, and the bio will be hidden from the top of your feed. I'm going to choose to keep that. And if you make any changes once again, don't forget to click Save on the top right corner. We can now go ahead and embed our X feed on Elementor. To embed it, just click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a page. And next, you can look for the page you want to embed your feed to. Let's go with the home page for this example, and click on Add. And now we're on our page, but because this is an Elementor page, we can click on Edit with Elementor. And here we are now on our Elementor web page, and if I scroll down, we can embed our new X feed right here under our latest posts. We can modify this text here. We can say something like X feed, okay? And underneath that, all we have to do is add a shortcode block. So we can look for that here, shortcode element, click, drag it, and drop it right here. And next, on the left-hand side, under shortcode, we can paste that shortcode that we just copied like this, and instantly we can see a live preview of our brand new X feed on our Elementor webpage. We can now click on Publish and check out what it looks like on the live website. Alright, so now on our live Elementor webpage, if I scroll down, we can see our brand new X feed right here that we just created together. So at the top, as I showed you before, we have the header featuring the account information and bio, and a button that says X follow. So if we click on that, that takes us directly to the X profile that we added to the feed, making it really easy to connect your site visitors with your X account and get more traffic, engagement, and followers as well. If I hit back, As I showed you before, each X post contains the author, which is the profile picture, account name, X handle, when the post was published, and of course the text content, followed by any media available with that post. You can see that this post has an image. If I click on it, you can view that full post inside X, including the image as well. And underneath the post, you can also choose to comment on a post, repost it, or like that post as well. And we also have a final button here to view that post on X. And there you have it. We created, customized, and embedded an X feed in just a few minutes with no coding needed on our Elementor webpage. And we didn't have to spend a single cent doing this. But if you like what you saw so far and want some more features, you should definitely check out Twitter Feed Pro. With Twitter Feed Pro, you get all the features from the free version plus a whole lot more. In the free version, we can only display a feed of posts from any user timeline. But with the Pro version, you can display posts from any hashtag, posts that match a specific search criteria, or even posts from any publicly available Twitter list. In addition to that, when creating a new feed, you can also choose from a variety of different templates such as the masonry, carousel, and more. You'll get access to more customization options by customizing the columns and different elements inside your feed, and not to mention powerful filters allowing you to choose the exact content you want to display inside your feed as well. And the feed you create with the Pro version also features the images and media attached to any post too. And you can see those here. You can open up the image in a lightbox view along with the caption underneath. If you want to check out Twitter Feed Pro, visit smashballoon.com. But if you want to create a Twitter feed for free, you can always follow the instructions I've shared with you in this tutorial. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And if you have any issues using this plugin, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.